Alright, going winter riding. Trying out my new gloves. They're all digital and stuff like that. So, turn them on to get them a little toasty, and they are toasty. So, hopefully it'll keep my hands warm. Let's see. So I'm trying out these new gloves on the freeway. They're heated and, it's about, 40 degrees outside. And I do not feel any cold whatsoever. They're actually pretty toasty and making my hands sweat. But we'll see, as I ride further, how they hold up. The only thing bad about riding in winter is the steaming up of your lens. I think I need one of those pin lock shields. It's a catch-22 in that you have to have your visor open just a little bit. So what does that mean? It means you get all the cold inside. It's a beautiful fall day today, though. I went out for a ride yesterday and my hands were numb. Probably, half hour into the ride. So I had to go to the heated gloves. Got these on Amazon. Black Friday sale. They were about $90. Got them overnight, and I'm happy with them. I'll put a link in the description so you can see which ones I bought. Alright. I'm going down this back road over here. Let's talk a little bit about winter riding and the stuff that I wear when it gets cold outside. I don't really have anything heated other than these gloves. I have some 3-season pants on, and I have some thermals under my pants. And I have my 3-season jacket on, and I got a pair of thermals under my jacket. I usually wear a thermal neck scarf. I didn't today, but I don't feel the cold on my neck because the collar on the jacket goes pretty high. And I have a beanie on under my helmet. And that's about it. And I got my long boots on. And I got some twisties right here. Oh. One thing you have to be careful during winter riding is the debris on the road. There's a lot of dead leaves on the road, so those could be slippery, especially if you have any moisture in there. We have some over here, so some of the roads are wet. But you gotta be cognizant of that stuff and be careful. Especially, obviously during turns, around corners and stuff like that. Just take it a little bit slower. It's a little deceiving with the sun out. It's beautiful, but it's freaking cold. I'm not cold, but the air is cold. Gloves are still doing good. I can't feel any cold air. Again, my hands are sweating, so I think I might have to turn them down a little bit. They're probably halfway up. Just enjoying this Sunday ride here. So I know a lot of guys that put the heated grips on their handlebars. Like this guy right here, John the Diehard. He did an amazing video on how to install them. But I'm trying to keep away from that for right now, just because of the effort that it's going to take to do it. And the struggles with this, especially with this throttle tube right here. You basically got to cut off your grips and then sand down the throttle tube in order for the other stuff to fit. And I would imagine that it takes a few hours to do it, and I'll eventually do it, but right now these gloves are amazing, and if I can save myself some hassle, maybe I'll just do that. Go with the gloves for right now. See how they work. See if they last. Still not feeling any cold, and that's good. You can see all the leaves around this corner. I think I'll try some off-road action here coming up. This car likes to go slow. He's probably running out of electricity on his electric car. Oh, they put a big trunk there. You can't go through there anymore. Just have to find another place, I guess. They didn't have that last time. Alright, just turn the gloves up a little bit because they're getting not cold, but it felt like it started to get chilly, and warmed them right back up. Been on the bike for, I don't know, 45 minutes so far. Gloves seem to be doing good. Like I said, just out for a nice Sunday ride. Really cold here in the shade. Feel the temperature drop tremendously. Little off-road action now. the climb. Never been up here. I don't know if you could see it, but way out in the distance is Mount Rainier. And that is Mount St. Helens out there. Pretty cool. It's Rocky Balboa out here. Looks like the end of the road. Alright. Had these bad boys on for, a couple hours, and the battery's still got a lot of battery to go, so they're working great. My hands are nice and warm, so great buy.